Good morning, students. Today we are going to see that in class 7, term 2, chapter 1, number system. In the number system, last class we studied representation of decimals. Today we are going to see that fractions and decimals. Okay, in fractions and decimals, first we revise in exercise 1.2. First we revise the place value. Last class we studied the place value. So place value grid, we place the numbers. So today we are going to see that write the following decimal numbers, the place value table. So they given the decimal number, we have to write it in the place value table. So with the place value, first you draw the table. You know the place value ones, tens, hundreds. In after the decimal point, places will come tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So what is the first number? 25.178. So this is very important. After the decimal point, you don't say this is 178. After the decimal point, you have to read the number 25.178. So 5 in the ones place, 2 in the tens place. So next one is tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So we write tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Next 0.025. So here no whole number. So whole number we are not write any places. In the decimal numbers, tenth place 0, hundred place 2, thousandth place 5. Next 428.001. We have placed the same 428.0, tenth, hundred, thousand. Like that we have to place all the numbers. Next, write each of the following as decimal numbers. 20 plus 1 plus 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. So, how we have to write it in decimal? We know that this is ones place. The tens place only we multiply by 10. The tenth, after the decimal point only we write divide. We have to divide the 10, 100, 1000. So, here 20 plus 1 is 21 point. 10th place is 2. 100th place is 3. 1000th place is 7. Next 3 plus 8 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So 3 point, 10th place 8, 100th place 4, 1000 place 5. So 3.845. Next, this exercise we are going to see the fractions and decimals. No, so here only is we do the conversion. Convert the following fractions into decimal numbers. So here we are going to convert the fractions into decimal numbers. So when we convert fraction in the decimal numbers, our denominator should be is multiples of 10. Our denominator should be multiples, that means 10, 100, 1000. If it is zeros means we can write the decimal, it is easy. So we have to write by 10 or 100 or 1000. Here it is 3 by 10 is directly they given 3 by 10. We studied by 10 means before one digit we put the decimal point. So 3 by 10 means it is 0.3. But here see 3 1 by 2. So it is they given in mixed fraction. So the mixed fraction first you convert into improper fraction. So how we convert? Yes, the denominator you multiply by the whole number. 3 2s are 6 and add the numerator. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 2. So the 7 by 2 how I told the denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 only. We can write in decimal is easy. So the denominator 2 we have to change into 10 because the 2 nearest number is 10. If it is more than 10 means we have to multiple change into 100. Change into 100. So here it's 2. So we have to multiply by 5 because 2 5s are 10. Next, what number you multiply by the denominator? The same number you multiply the numerator. So 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Now it is 35 by 10. Now we can easily write in decimal, it is 3.5. Next, see 3 by 5. The same. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So 18 by our fraction is 18 by 5. So denominator we change into 10 or 100. It is below 10 means we have to change into 10. So we want 10 means we multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10. The same number we multiple our numerator. 8 2s are 36. So 18 2s are 36 means 36 by 10. It is become 3.6. So below is 10. That means 10 means one digit before we have to put the decimal point. Here you see 99 by 100. So in the denominator directly they are given multiples of 100. 100 is given. So if 100 is given, we have to put the decimal point before 2 digit. So 99 by 100 before 2 digit means it comes before 9. So 0.99. Okay. Next, 7th question, 19 by 25. So this mixed fraction I told first we change into improper fraction. So 3/25 are 75. 75 plus 19, 94. So 94 by 25. See, last sums and all, it is below 10, so we change into 10. But it is above 10 means we have to change into 100. Above 10 means we have to change into 100. So we want change 25, we want change into 100 means what number we multiple? Yes, we multiple by 4 because 25 4s are 100. So we want here we multiple by 4. In the numerator also we multiple by 4. So 94 into 4 is 376. 25 4s are 100. So in the denominator 100 means before 2 digit we put the decimal point. So the decimal point will come before 7. So 3.76. Next question. Write the following decimal as fraction. So last question we studied fraction into decimal. Here decimal into fraction. So the same. So 2.5. So after the decimal point 1 digit is there means what will come in the denominator? 10. Yes, I told 10 means before 1 digit you put the decimal point. No. So we want to remove the decimal point. It becomes 10. So 25 by 10. 6.4. Yes, 64 by 10 because point after we have 1 digit. So we divide by 10. Here comes 0.75. So 0.75 means after the decimal point we have 2 digits. So we divide by 100. It becomes 75 by 100. Next, express the following decimals as fraction in lowest term. So we have to express in fraction and change into lowest term. So 2.34. 2.34 means how we change the fraction? So after the decimal point 2 digit is there. So 234 by 100. This we want to bring the lowest term. We have to divide by the same number. The numerator and denominator we divide by the same number. So both the number is 2 multiples. So even number. So it's we can divide by 2. So 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Remainder 1. 7 2s are 14. So 5 2s are 10. Next 0. So this again we can divide by 2. We can't because this is prime number. This is multiples of 5. So we can't divide. So that's all. Next 0.18. 0.18. We have to write in fraction means is 118 by 100. So this 18 by 100 we have to bring to the lowest term means. So we divide by the same number. So both the number even number. So we divide by 2. So 18 2 divide by 2 means it is 9. 100 we divide 2 it is become 50. So this 2 we don't have any common. We have any common factor only we can divide. Surely we divide by the same number. Here we don't have common factor. So we can't divide. So answer is 9 by 50. Thank you students. Have a nice day.